Welcome to an overview of Samtec Discrete Wire Power Solutions. Here we see a collection of high-performance power cable assemblies, connectors, and specifications designed for robust board-to-board and wire-to-board applications. We start by looking at the PowerStrip product family. The PowerStrip 30, MPT/MPSS, and MPTC/MPCC offers a 5.00 mm pitch. The PowerStrip 40, PET/PESS, offers a larger 6.35 mm pitch. Next up is the Samtec Extreme LPH Power System, featuring the LPHS VP1 and LPHS RT1 components. Moving along, we examine a fine-pitch, multi-position blue ribbon wire assembly. This showcases Samtec capability in manufacturing high-density, flexible wiring harnesses for tight routing spaces where signal integrity and space management are critical. We then look at larger, multi-pin white housing wire-to-board power connectors paired with robust black discrete wiring. These are designed for secure latching and high-reliability connection points in demanding power distribution setups. Finally, we explore the Mate Discrete Wire series, showcasing IPBT and PMSD configurations in both single and double-row designs. Looking at the specifications card, the Mate family supports a current rating up to 7.6 amps, handles 20 to 30 AWG wire sizes, features polarized latching housings, and offers halogen-free options for environmentally sensitive applications.